Hi friends, in this video, it will show you how to make realistic mockup in Photoshop. First add your image, go to select menu, then choose subject for selection. After subject selection, choose quick selection tool for adjust the selection of soda can like this. Okay, selection done. Now press Ctrl+J for make the duplicate of that selection and add your mockup poster image. Decrease its opacity for adjust the poster on soda can. When you satisfied, increase the opacity of that poster and make 2 other duplicates. Select one poster, change blending option normal to multiply. Select number 2 poster, change blend normal to soft light. Select number 3 poster, change it normal to again soft light. Select number 3 poster and decrease its opacity about 70. Select all 3 layer, right click, then choose create clipping mask. Select all these 3 layer and adjust it according to your can. And last, but not the least, after some editing and camera raw filter, here is the final result. Hope you liked it.
They call me Roxanne.